Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more videos. And for today's video, we are going to react to Jerome Everdome singing Always on My Mind. This one, I think parang concert siya. Wish Band. Okay, first anniversary concert. So without further ado, let's check it out.
Maybe I didn't treat you.
Ay, yan na naman si Jerome. Ang hilig-hilig niya ng... Ayan na naman si Jerome, guys. So, first anniversary concert ito at kakantahin niya Always on My Mind sa Wish Band.
Maybe I didn't treat you. Maybe I
Ay,
didn't treat you.
go Jerome.
But as good as I should have.
Galing, no? Yung entry niya, guys, para si Elvis Presley talaga yung datingan niya, pati yung ano niya, pati yung outfit.
Maybe I didn't love you.
Oh my God, Jerome. Ulitin natin, guys.
Maybe I didn't treat you.
Ito ng boses, buo-buo.
But as good as I should have.
Grabe talaga si Jerome, no? Ang ganda-ganda ng boses niya, buong-buo siya, hindi mo lang nagkakrak yung boses niya. And at the same time, ang ganda ng outfit niya, ang lakas maka Elvis Presley talaga, parang siyang siya na talaga yung kumakanta dyan sa gitna.
Maybe I didn't love you. Well, as often as I could have. Little things I should have said to love.
Galing. Ang galing din ng control nila sa boses niya, guys. Parang sinasabi niya nga lang yung mga words.
I just never took the time.
No, Jerome.
You're always on my mind.
Grabe, no? Yung mga music talaga dati, kahit anong gawin mo, pag pinapatugtog siya, iba yung dating. Parang may something na dating na nakakapagpalungkot, nakakapagpabalik sa mga bagay na dati mong na-experience. Yung parang, ang lakas maka-throwback yun.
Maybe I didn't hold you.
Ay! Oh my God, may naglagay ng ano.
All those lonely, lonely times.
Oh my God, pag nandyan din tayo, guys, for sure, lalagyan din natin siya ng ano.
And I guess I never told you there was.
Galing nila, grabe. Sana sumikat sila international.
I'm so happy that you're mine. If I made you feel second best.
Ang galing. Wala ka pala makikitang panginginig doon sa boses na, nagkakamali siya. Parang perfect na perfect.
Girl, I'm so sad I was blind.
Ay, naku. Yan yung maganda rin kay, kay Jerome. Hindi niya masyadong ino-over yung kanta. Kung ano lang yung pagkakakanta, yun lang ginagawa niya.
You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind.
Ang galing, grabe. Ito na naman si Jerome.
Help me, thank you, tell me that you're still present by.
Favorite ko rin kasi tong song na to, guys. Kaya alam ko talaga yung lyrics niya. Tsaka alam ko rin talaga yung pagkakanta niya. So nakikita ko talaga na kahit hindi siya si Elvis Presley yung kumanta, bagay pa rin yung boses. Napaka-versatile ng mga boses nila. So pwede sila sa kahit anong kanta. So especially kapag yung kanta is mga ganitong song.
Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied.
Feeling ko pag nag-concert to mga to sa ibang bansa, dumugin sila doon. Kasi syempre alam naman natin na sila Elvis Presley, sila Willie Nelson, yung mga sikat na singer dati sa ibang bansa. Doon sila kilala talaga. Paano pa yung tayo nasa Philippines pero sikat na sila. Paano pa pag nandun talaga sila, no? So piling ko pag doon sila nag-concert, tatangkilikin talaga sila ng mga putik. Mga foreigner.
Little things I should have said, and I just never took the time.
Lagi rin ba siyang nasa isip nyo, guys?
You're always on my mind.
Man! Hindi mo lang nakakalimot sa isang vibrato. Napakahusay. Grabe ang galing niya. Kahit anong kantahin niya, bagay din sa kanya, no? Kasi nga, nagagawa niya yung style niya. Palakpakan naman natin si Rue. Eh, palakpakan naman natin si Jerome. Grabe, palakpakan naman natin si Jerome. Gusto ko manood ng concert na ganito, actually. Galing. Anong sinabi, guys? Elvis President ng Philippines. Ang dami niyang gift. Deserve naman ni Jerome. Oh my God, ang dami rin tao. Palapakan din naman natin yung KDR band. Ang galing talaga nila. Galing. Isa na naman pong magandang performance ni Jerome Everdome. Always on my mind. So kapag gusto niyo mapanood yung mga videos ni Jerome Everdome, punta lang kayo sa my YouTube channel ni Mar Bayron Bay. So ang dami niyang videos there. So you can choose anything you like. Marami siyang mga songs. Hindi lang kay Jerome, pati sa ibang artist. Again, my name is Raven. If nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, please give me a like and comment down below if may gusto pa kayo i-react ko. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye!